brothers, my sisters, spend some time in your day, even if you're in a vehicle, transport, moving from A to B, how we look at our phones so many times, at least open the app that has in it verses of the Quran. We call it the mobile Quran on your phone. Read one verse to begin with, and its meaning. Check out its commentary if it's there. Check out a little bit more detail of the verse if it's there. You do that every day, I promise you, your life will change. Do you know why? You're developing a connection with the word of Allah. And here is the Prophet, peace be upon him, saying, خَيْرُكُمْ مَنْ تَعَلَّمَ الْقُرْآنَ وَعَلَّمَهُ. The best from amongst you, those who learn the Quran and teach it to others. Learn what about the Quran? Not just the melodious recitation, but the meaning of it, what it stands for, what it has in it, what is there in it for you. Understand it, convey it to others, practice upon it. You become the best. And there's a reward just for trying.